In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a Telegram bot and connect it to ForwardMsg. Let's start by going to @botfather on Telegram. Type or select the command #newbot. You'll be asked to provide two things: a name for your bot and a username, which must end in bot. Once that's done, you'll receive your Telegram bot token. Tap to copy the token. Now go to the ForwardMsg website and add a new Telegram bot. Enter a name and paste the token into the required field. That's it. Your bot has been successfully added. Now, depending on where you want to forward messages, there are a couple of extra steps. If you want to forward messages to your private chat, simply start a conversation with your bot by sending it a message like "Hello." If you want to forward messages to a group or channel, you'll need to add your bot to the desired chat. And don't forget, you must promote the bot to administrator in that group or channel for it to function properly. And that's it. You've successfully created and connected your Telegram bot to ForwardMsg.